In 1970, they produced a total of 652 Plymouth Hemicudas. This is one of them. Of the 652, 284 of them had pistol grip 4-speed transmissions, of which this is one. It's been completely restored by Cuda Connection in Anaheim, California, and it features road lamps, elastomeric bumpers both front and rear, and painted mirrors on driver's and passenger side. This car has the Hemi 426 cubic inch engine, rated conservatively at 450 horsepower, and it also has the Dana 410 rear end gears. It's an original California car. It spent most of its life in the Fresno Valley area. I believe I am the fourth owner. I purchased the car in 1988, and we did a ground-up restoration on the car where the motor was taken out, completely rebuilt, all new vinyl interior, all new carpeting, all new headliner, and all new paint. Restoration took approximately 1 year. My daughter just loves this car. She thinks they're great investments, and she also enjoys the cars because her boyfriends love the cars, and therefore my daughter feels like it's a good attraction to get the boyfriends over at the house. The second car of my two-car collection is another Hemicuda. This one is a 1971 Plymouth Hemicuda hardtop, and again it has the same 426 Hemi engine that the red car has. It is a Canadian car, and I bought it from the original owner in 1989. Therefore, it makes me the second owner of a fairly rare automobile in that only 108 of those were produced in 1971, 108 hardtops. Well, I think there are several things that I enjoy about owning it. Number one, it's a very low production car in that only 108 were produced. It has the Hemi billboard graphics on both sides. It is the only white automatic, torque flight automatic car that they produced in 1971 to my knowledge. And it has a lot of interesting options like leather interior and consoles, rally dash, rim blow steering wheels, and the like. Both cars are called Cudas, which is a shortened name for Barracuda. In 1970, the name was shortened to Cuda, and the car designers tried to make it appear to have fish-like characteristics. The 70 car has gills on the bottom base plates, and in 71 they removed the gills and put them up on the front fenders. Also, the front grille work of both cars is to be similar to the mouth of a barracuda fish. The car was just appraised for insurance company purposes, and in 1991 dollars it was appraised at $100,000. And I personally feel that this figure will increase over time due to its rarity and demand by collectors in the market.